Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Minecraft. And yeah, so we're gonna go into Minecraft, guys. So yeah, we're in. Are we inside the house? Okay, good. So I'm gonna go to bed. So today in this episode, we're gonna mine some iron. Like, Payman, if you're watching this, I appreciate your help about I need a stone pickaxe to mine iron. But do you know why I knew how to watch it when I made that other video? It's because I saw a video on YouTube, what tools you need to mine what ores, and it told me that you need a stone axe to mine iron. So that YouTube video helped me. So that's why I made my own out of that video, but it's just about iron. So. But still, thank you, Payman. I appreciate your help, that you're trying to help me. And yeah, guys, so, oh yeah, subscriber wall. Sorry, guys, today there's no subscriber on the subscriber wall. Yeah, so like I said in my last video, I don't always have new subscribers all the time. You might check my last video, but they didn't comment or tell me in real life they want another name. But if that person made 2 accounts on YouTube and subscribed to me with 2 of them, that still doesn't count. Like, I can't have 2 of their names on the thing. So let's go. I think we'll be okay with the sword and axe. Like, we'll be fine. So now let's go and find some iron. I think I remember where it is. Yeah. So Pan, I really appreciate your help. I even appreciate that you keep on commenting on my Minecraft videos so much, telling me what to do. Cause you know, Payman, I'm a beginner of Minecraft, right? I have to play on easy mode, guys. So if you do not know, I play on easy mode because the one time when I played on normal mode, I got really upset. And yeah. But, and even when I used to play on easy mode, I used to get very upset too. Because, yeah. And now I'm stuck forever. We can mine our way out. But don't worry, guys, we'll mine our way out. So sorry for wasting my time right now, but I got myself stuck. So let's get this stuff. Let's get it. Let's do this. Last but not least, I need that dirt block. Okay, so I'm gonna be needing some food right now. Luckily we had that right there. And guys, I also want to get some sand and put it in the furnace and make some glass instead of using trapdoors as windows. Because that's what they're not meant to be used for. So Payman, you don't have to comment down on the video about me using trapdoors as windows for light to come in. Because I'm just hadn't my furnace before. I just didn't have it. Like, you already knew that, Payman. So next time, I appreciate that you give me help and tips before I ask you for it. But sometimes I already know things, like, yeah. I can work things out myself too, Payman. But I still appreciate your help. You're a good friend, Payman. So guys, sorry if I'm talking to people too much every time I make my Minecraft videos. But he's just like my best friend, and he just like keeps on trying to help me. I'm just like trying to show him how much I appreciate him. Payman, if you listen to what I'm saying right now, I know you're also a viewer and you're my best friend, but yeah. Is this the mining hole? No. It isn't. Want to find iron. I know it's somewhere in this cave. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so when I was playing, I went like this. Oh, I almost fell in there. Yep, guys, I think it's in here. Yep, it's in here. Yeah, it's here. I'm gonna try not to hurt myself, so I'm gonna go here. Look. Iron. Oh yeah, guys, I just remembered. I need my stone axe. Thank you for reminding me, Pam. I mean, you didn't remind me. I already knew, but I just remembered. Oh yeah. But I could still mine coal because I also need torches. Is there any coal in here I can mine? Anywhere? Well, here there is. I sure do need a little coal. So now we're gonna start using our furnace. This is the episode where we get our So I might change the difficulty soon to easy. I mean, not easy, it's already on easy. I don't think that'll be enough. So I think this switch, I'm gonna get up now. Okay. Okay, shouldn't use my shovel. So, wait, where's all my stone? Oh, how annoying. Let's get here. Mine all the stone we got. And then there, we can make our pickaxe. So we're just gonna mine all of this until our thingy dies. Well, I could say break. So now we're just gonna like mine this. And then this. And then this. Actually, guys, that was a bad idea. Oh, wait, I can go like this. Since we have all the stone we need, I'm gonna make all of the tools out of stone. I mean, not all of them. Like, I'm gonna make a stone pickaxe, a stone sword, and a stone axe. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. Payman, I know if you say, but Marshall. Thank you for your advice, but I'm gonna try it, okay? Like, Payman, don't think that I find you annoying. I don't at all. So, let's get back in. Do we have sticks with us? Wait. So that means all of these wooden tools that we made, we have to get rid of. So maybe we can use the sword later. But for now, we're going to use all the wooden tools we have for now. But the wooden pickaxe. So, I mean, oh yeah, okay. Let's get the sticks out. So let's get the sticks. So look at that, guys. We can make that. Okay, so I don't really want that. What does this even do? Level. So okay, I know this is the food chest, but this is normally the place I go in all the time. So I'll put this stuff here, and then I'll just put this stuff right here. Oh, the stone already in there. How stupid of me. I'll get this stuff out. I would say we could just leave that there for now. I had to sort everything out. Sorry about to put the sorting out on camera, but yeah. So we can put that there. Put this there. Or actually, let's keep these with us. Yeah, that's a better idea, guys. Just leave this in here. So I think now it's bedtime. So now, let's get now let's use a stone pickaxe for the first time. Like, sorry if I have to waste all my wood and stuff, but first we want to get some sand. Actually, no, let's do that later. Let's get a sword out. Let's say something hurts us. But Payman, you might be saying, you might be happy now, it might not come out my video, but Payman, you might not understand, but it takes time for me to learn and stuff, okay? So you can't just be like, oh, Marshall, okay? Whoa, parkour. Jumped right over that hole. So where's that mine? Definitely can't be in there. Is it here? Well, let me check. So we'll mine this, we'll go in this mine later, like when we have like torches. Like, Payman, I have an idea. We can use torches and ladders in like the mines. Get scared and I'm quite hungry now, but I can kill an animal now. Should I really go and kill that pig? Please, everyone, I need a hole. This is the exact same mine again. Okay, guys, this is so hard. Find one simple mine. I guess I could kill that chicken. Actually, I'm gonna kill it with a sword. Now I can eat this for dessert. Okay, so now finally we can finally mine iron. Yes. So right now we're just gonna get some coal. But when we start mining, I'll just be like a okay, no, that will not give us anything. So now we can get out. We'll come back. I was thinking, guys, leave me in the comments below. Should I make leather armor or iron armor first? I'm just gonna make leather armor first, like when I go mine. I'm gonna get all prepared. And I was thinking that I could make a farm. Payment. I know you're commenting on my video saying, Marshall, make a farm, make a farm, make a farm. I am going to make a farm, Payment. I'm going to. I was thinking of making a farm this episode, or the video after this one in Minecraft. Payment. I know what I'm doing, okay? I'm okay. Wow. Wow. So that's enough sand. Let's go and craft everything. I feel like this one should be like the tools and ores chest. So since it's sand, like this is the first time I'm gonna be smelting an item, guys. So, are you ready? This here. Put this here. Oh my god, guys, I am so excited. Ooh, ho, ho, ho. So let's get out of here. Oh, this is so exciting, guys. That also makes a lot of light, too. Wow. Guys, tell me if you guys are excited, too. Because I know I am. I think this is a good time to go and, like, check out. How do you do this? Guys, I want to make some carpet. I want to put this here, guys. But don't worry, guys. We'll get more red carpet by killing more sheep. Nice dead toasty. But for now, we'll just go, like, put around, like, regular places. Like, I just want to, like, make the house look nice. Like, I have nothing to spend my wool on, guys. I might as well spend it on this. So, let's see if it's done smelting. This is awesome. I have a lot of glass now. Let's go wait until that coal dies. So I think that chest should be like... Let's get the coal out. Oh yes, I already made my torch like a long time ago. So let's get that chest. Wait, where's the item frame I have? Okay, yeah, right here. Guys, I think we should get the leather now. Just get these out and these out. That's all the leather we have. Let's see what we can craft. Yep. Pretty much. Oh, guys, I am so excited. Put this on. Put this. This. guys, look at this. This is awesome. Put it back. I guess the item frame would most likely go here. No, I can't put item frames. So I think the item frame could be like an emergency frame or something like that. So I want to put it above the furnace. I don't know why I'll do that. That looks nice. I'll pick that up like every time like the best item I have that I like the most. I noticed that I like the most. I put it here. Look, guys, I have armor. I know it's not very good, but yeah. Oh my god, I am so hungry now. I'm just gonna eat all my pumpkin pie. They're literally... Wow. Look, now because of that, I got my health up. So I'm wondering if it's daytime. So where's all my glass? Because it's 22 glass. Well, guys, trapdoors are meant to be for trapping animals. So, guys, we're going to go and fix that later. So, let's go to bed. If you're enjoying the video so far, remember to leave a like and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell to never miss a video so we can get more people on subscriber wall every day. Guys, are we stuck again? Actually, guys, I think we don't need that. Let's get this pretty carpet. Huh? No, we just lost it. Or it's just right there. That's better. So, if that happened, let's, like, get out. So, all of our ores will just, like, go here. Like, tools and ores will just go there. So, the bed, I guess we could put it near the chicken farm. Oh, guys, I completely forgot to throw the eggs. So now, since we did that, okay, so let's get a sword out. Okay, so after we do some things, it's gonna be the end of the video. So let's break this. And add glass. And now I know every time zombies are coming out or anything like that. Glass, that actually looks nice. Let's get it here. Some glass. Sorry if I'm not talking that much right now. I just don't know what to say right now. Yeah. So let's go inside and let's see. Wow, we can see so much better now. Wow. It is so much better. We didn't even need that much glass. So, thinking, let's make the farm. But first, just like put the trapdoors here. Put the glass. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, I need my hoe. Need that. Oh great, guys, get some iron. Do we have enough for it? Guys, put how do you block of iron? Hold on. Guys, I'm confused. How do you craft that with the block? Oh, hold on a second. Do you need to smelt it? I don't think you do, but let's just give it a try and have a watch to see, actually. Put it in. Oh, yes, guys, you do smelt it. See, payment, I can work out things by myself. Wait. That must be how you smelt gold. That's good. It's still burning. How do you stop it? No, okay. No, I do not want to sleep. So since we have fat and fat, so it's a fence. So guys, sorry if the video's gonna be for a while. I had that with me the whole time. Wait, but do I have enough iron for, what do you call it, a bucket? Let's see. So I need another one. But now let's just like, where's the iron? for now, let's just like get it ready. Then when we find even more iron, we would like get so for now, let's just get ready. And yeah. So where should we place the farm? Behind us? In front of us? You guys decide. Because I do not know. Because let's get here. Boom, 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 boom. So now we're just gonna like make a farm. So now we're just gonna make a gate. Should we connect it to our house? Yeah, we should. Okay, sorry guys if I'm doing this, but I just like... Okay, so we should probably get inside now. Okay, since that happened, we're going to get it all repaired. Actually, no, it's not meant to be for hole. The hole is not to be for that. It's the hole. Hold on. The hole is not working. Okay, so never mind, guys. Let's just make... I don't know what we should do. So guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, see you in the next one. We'll probably make the farm in the next episode. So bye, guys. Remember to leave a like.